Welcome to A Plus Moving, your one-stop solution for all your moving needs. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important and often overlooked aspects of moving: packing your dining room. The dining room is often the central gathering place in the home, and it's filled with fragile and sentimental items that need special care during the moving process. Our team of experts at A Plus Moving has the knowledge and expertise to ensure that all your dining room items are packed and transported safely to your new home. We begin by carefully wrapping and padding all fragile items, such as dishes, glasses, and other breakable items. Our team will also provide you with the proper packing materials, such as bubble wrap, packing peanuts, and sturdy boxes to ensure that your items are protected during transport. We will also take special care to properly pack and label any sentimental items, such as family heirlooms, to ensure that they arrive at your new home in the same condition as when they left. Don't have time to pack your dining room? Our packing and unpacking service is designed to save you time and hassle. Our team of experts will pack and unpack your entire dining room, making sure that all your items are packed and labeled correctly so you can focus on other important tasks. At A Plus Moving, we understand the importance of your dining room and the sentimental value it holds. Trust our team of experts to handle all your packing needs and make sure your dining room arrives at your new home in perfect condition. If you're planning a move in the near future, don't forget to contact us for a free quote and let us take care of your packing needs. With A Plus Moving, you can rest assured that your move will be handled by professionals who care about your satisfaction.